Okay. Now go to the folder you have created, cd space class. Everyone completed? Shall we proceed ahead? Shilpa?
I am doing Anusha, still not created.
Okay.
I created in only Visual Studio Code, that new folder.
Okay, okay, sure, good.
After that, what should I do?
Uh,
One new folder I created in Visual Studio. After that,
you need to open one terminal, say command prompt. Okay.
hmm,
And you know, right?
terminal. Where it is terminal?
Bhargavi, can you stop sharing? I will ask her to do it. Can you share your screen, Shilpa?
Yeah, just a minute. Anusha, can you see my screen?
I am not able to see it. 2 minutes. Yeah, I am able to see. So what is the folder you have created?
Class file.
Okay. Wait a minute. I'll be requesting for you access. Yeah. So if you can check, you have created it in the downloads. Okay. Now go to the
Yeah.
search bar, not this here, in your system search bar.
Yeah. Search bar, what should I type here?
Give me a moment, 1 second.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shilpa, not in the Visual Studio Code, okay? Go to your Windows icon if your mission is Windows. Go to the Windows icon now,
Yeah.
normal desktop.
Yeah.
Close this Visual Studio. Minimize it for some time.
Yeah.
You stopped sharing. Shilpa, you stopped sharing.
Sure. Thank you for class. योग परत
Shilpa, you stopped sharing. Okay. Meanwhile, others run this command in that directory. Yeah.
Can you see my screen now?
Yeah. Just click on Windows. Yeah. You have type here to search, na? Just type terminal.
Yeah.
Wait, you have command prompt, right? Click on open it. Open it. Click on open. Yes.
Open.
Yes. Click on the
Yeah.
open. Now you go to CD space downloads.
CD space.
Downloads.
Is it correct?
Yeah, enter it. So now you are in downloads folder. In this, you have created class file, right? You need to give that name, CD space.
Once again, I have to type CD space.
Yes, CD space class. No, why are you again giving downloads? You are already in download
Sorry.
folder. Yeah, class, and you can press on tab. Yeah, enter it. This is not the folder name you have created. CD space class, and just click on tab icon. Tab. Click on tab. Have you pressed? Yeah, enter it.
Yes.
Enter it. So everyone, when you have redirected to your path, okay, I have pinged one command. Just run this command. npm install -g @angler/client. Shilpa have pinged in the chat. You can take that and you can run it. I have pinged in the chat. Zoom chat. Open Zoom na. Bhargavi, are you doing?
It is not recognized.
What?
npm is not recognized as an internal or external command. Operable program or batch file. It gave that error.
Okay. Wait a minute. So, I am pinging one more link, okay? Just click on this link
Yeah.
and download that Node.js.
Okay. What should we download? 18.910, 9.0 or
16.
Okay. Download.
Yeah. Download it. Click on it.
Completed, Anusha. Download.
Downloaded. Now try that command. Wait a second. Just run node -version
No.
-version. Or node-v, anything is fine. What it is giving?
1 minute. Anusha. Doing.
Sorry, Bhargavi.
1 minute doing. Anusha.
I'm not able to hear you properly. Can you repeat it?
1 minute, Anusha. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Node V is not recognized as internal for like it is given.
Yeah, you need to,
think I
after downloading, you need to install it. Yeah, just do that. Shilpa, proceed ahead. Yeah.
Anusha,
Yes.
1 minute. It's getting installed.
Yeah, click on the finish. Okay. Now go to the terminal, Shilpa. Terminal. Command prompt terminal. Yes. Check node -v. Node space after hyphen before hyphen space. Shilpa, delete it. Go back. Yeah. Go back. Give space hyphen v. Yeah. Check it. Enter it. Okay. Just run the command whatever I have given. npm install minus. I have pinged in the chat. You can take it from the chat. You can directly copy paste it, Shilpa. No need to write.
Anusha, the same thing is happening. NPM is not recognized as internal. It is giving the same.
Okay. Let me check it. I guess so. Your systems are not having the correct path.
Anusha, what is administrator Windows PowerShell?
What?
Administrator Windows PowerShell.
I don't know. So Shilpa, can you go back to the downloads folder? CD space dot dot you give. CD space dot dot dot. Go back. Yeah, enter. Yeah. Now check node -v. You need to give space, Shilpa. Shilpa. Above you have checked, right? Node space -v. Yeah, check it now. Give me a moment. I'm requesting for access, Shilpa. Just give me. Shilpa, can you type node-v now in the terminal? Or you can press up arrow, it will come. Node space -v.
Nisha,
Yeah.
I sent one link in WhatsApp to you. I think that may be a solution.
Okay, let me check it. Okay. Let me just do this installation and try that solution. Thank you, Ramna. Shilpa, can you click on this folder icon? Are you there, Shilpa? Where is local disk C? Can you open this command prompt? Are you there, Shilpa? Can you remove that node -b? Can you type cd space pro tab, click on tab. Okay. Just enter it. Click on ls. Enter ls. Write ls and enter. ls. Okay. Click on cd space node, node. Enter, click on tab, sorry, tab. Okay, just enter it. Why I am not able to access your screen? So let us not waste our time, okay? I'll check why it's not working in the tomorrow's class. In my system, in my office system, everything is inbuilt and I need not to worry about all these commands. But for you people, even Node is not installed, right? That's why you are facing all these issues. Let me tell the class for at least 20 minutes so that we can use something. Okay, Shilpa, stop sharing. So in the morning itself, I have built one application and it was working fine. This is the new application which got created, okay? And let me tell only in the stack, please. So I told about interfaces, right? What are interfaces? Are you people able to hear me?
Yes, Anuj.
Yeah, what are interfaces?
Interface is used to create an object.
Different things that type for an object. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Suppose, okay, let me create one interface. How to create an interface?
Interface,
Okay, interface,
object, detail or something name as our wish. You
yeah,
can give it.
object details. Okay, in this we'll have name. Okay, Anusha, and then age 24 and place. Okay, sorry, string and number,
Number,
and
string.
place is also a string. Okay, now let me create one object. Okay, object, and it is of the type what? Object details. Okay.
Yes.
Now what I am doing, I'm trying to assign some value to this object. Okay. But I wanted to give only name and age, but not place. So I want to assign the values name and age. Okay. How can we do that? We can just give these things and you assign directly the values, right? So, కొంచెం ఇది అక్కడ పెట్టవా? Yeah, name and Anusha. Okay. And age Okay. 24. Now, if you see, I haven't given the place parameter. Okay. And if I hover on it in this object, it's showing red color. Red color means there is something error with this object. Okay. And if you
Okay.
see, property place is missing in the type, but required in the object details. Did you understand the error?
Yes, sir.
So what it is telling, the place is required, but you haven't given it. You haven't assigned that value in the object. Okay. So here colon and giving the string name directly meaning is that it's always required by this object details. So there will be some fields which are optional too, right? To define that it's an optional field, you use something called question mark so that it's an optional. Understood? And you can see that red color thing also gone, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is the use of optional parameter again here, or the safe navigation operator. Understood? Any doubts, anyone? Hmm. Now, yesterday I have talked about the pipes, right? What are pipes?
Transforming the data to the desired format.
Yeah, for transforming the data, we use the pipes. And I told you we can also create the custom pipes. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So we will create one pipe now. Okay. And let me name it name dot pipe dot ts. Okay. If you are creating any pipe, you need to name it with dot pipe dot ts file. Okay. And to tell that this is a pipe, right? To this file is a pipe, you use @ of pipe decorator. Any doubts till now? Any doubts?
No.
And we have one parameter here called name. What is the name of this pipe? Okay, let me just say name pipe. Anything you can give. Name conversion pipe. Okay, and as you all know, this we need to import from Angular core. Import pipe. So now what we need to do in case of component, what we will create class file. We'll create a class file, right?
Yes.
So here also same export class. Okay. Name conversion pipe. This is the component pipe name here. Okay. And whenever any pipe is created, what we need to do for
Module.js.
yeah, in module we need to declare it in the module file. So if you can go to the declaration file, okay, and you can just declare it in the imports. Okay. Any doubts, anyone till now?
No.
Okay. So every pipe class, basically every pipe class will implement on one interface. Okay. And it's called pipe transform interface. Pipe transform interface. So what you can write, only we can implement on interfaces. Okay. So you can just give implements and it is pipe transform. You can see here, right, from Angular core, this one. Okay, just give me a moment. So if you check this interface, okay, this pipe transform interface is inbuilt by the Angular and this is given by the Angular. And if you check its documentation, no, you see interface and the pipe transform. And what are the things present in this interface? Can you tell me? We can define methods and variables. Okay. In the previous interface, what I have told you, okay. Here, what are those? Here, just the variables, right? So what is here? What is this?
Methods and variables.
What is this? What is this transform?
Pipe transform.
What is this transform? Function, right?
Yeah, method.
Yes.
Function, right? You are not able to identify it's a function or not. Okay. So what does it mean? Does it contain any safe navigation operator or optional operator here? No, right? So that means that it should contain this transform, correct? So we need
Yes.
to provide that transform method here. Okay. Any doubts? Suppose if you comment it out, you see some error. Wait a minute, let me just scroll down. Class name conversion pipe incorrectly implements interface pipe transform. Property transform is missing in the type name conversion pipe, but required in the pipe transform. Understood, right? Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So it contains transform method, and you can see you can take any value as a param. Okay. Suppose if you are applying this name to some suppose he not jail data. Okay. Let me create one string here, name Angular. Okay. And here what I will do for the name, how to apply a pipe, just this symbol and the pipe name. Am I correct? Okay.
Yes.
So this name value, okay, is this value. Suppose if I just print it now. Any doubts still here? No, right? Let me just open in a new thing, and let me just open the console log and show you. You see this line Angular. For your understanding, you are able to see, right? So whenever
Yes.
we are applying the transform method, I mean, whenever we are applying that pipe, right, this value will get passed to this transform method, and you can access that value. Okay. Now what you can do whatever you want to do with that name. Okay. Suppose return value plus percentage. Okay. Now what will happen? For Angular name, I am appending some percentage and returning it back. Okay. Now you can see this thing. Am I correct? I have given
Yes.
only Angular. This percentage got added. Any doubts, anyone till now? This is how we create the custom names. Suppose I will just comment out this line. Okay. You can see here. Just Angular, right? Now what I am doing, I'm just returning value, okay, plus I am appending some percentage, okay. Now if you check Angular percentage, any doubts, anyone till now?
No.
How to create, they will ask you how to create a custom pipe. What you can tell, you can create a file name with .pipe.ts file, okay, and to tell that this file is a pipe, okay, you will declare it with @pipe decorator, and in that you will give the name of the pipe, and you will create one class, okay, that is export class the pipe name, and it implements on one interface called pipe transforms, which provides one method called transform. So you will use the name here directly in the HTML while piping, and the value will get passed to this transform method, and what in whichever way we want to format the data, we can format it and we can return it. You can tell like this. Anyone didn't understand or any re-explanation needed, let me know. Need to explain again?
Yes, ma'am. Explain once again.
Okay. So Shilpa, why we use pipes?
Transform to data into the desired format.
Correct. So we if there are no inbuilt pipes, like whichever desired format we want, and we doesn't have any desired pipes, inbuilt pipes, then we need to create our own custom pipes. Okay. For
Yes.
that, we first create one file called name.pipe.ts file we have
.ts.
created. Okay. And to tell that this file is a pipe file, we are decorating with @pipe decorator.
Pipe.
Okay.
Yes.
In that you will give a name for your pipe. Okay. Name and the pipe name. Okay. And you will create a class. Okay. That is export class, like any other component you will be creating. No, you will be giving the name, right? App component, Anusha component, like that. You need to give the name for your pipe. That will be name conversion pipe. Okay.
Yes.
And it should implement on one interface called pipe transform.
Pipe transform.
Okay. Only interfaces, for interfaces we will use the keyword implements.
Yes.
Okay. And this pipe transform interface is given inbuiltly by Angular. Okay. And in this interface there is one method called transform. So suppose if you don't use this transform now, you'll get an error. Like transform property is missing. Okay. So you need to have one method called transform. And wherever you are applying this pipe, okay, that value will get passed to this transform method.
Yes.
Okay. And whatever manipulations you want to do, you can do it, and you can just return that value. So what here I am doing, I am just appending percentage. That percentage will be here.
Yes.
Any
Understood.
doubts?
No.
Okay. And whenever any pipe is created, you need to declare it in the module file.
Module.
Okay. Now we will create one more pipe. Okay. Can someone tell me how to do that?
Create a new folder.
New folder.
Not file. File.
Okay. New file. And I will name it as custom -pipe.
Pipe.ts.
Yes.
.pipe.ts. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Now what is the next step?
Decorate pipe decorator.
Decorator.
Produce pipe
Decorate pipe.
decorator. And what is the parameter we'll give here? What is the
Pipe transfer.
No, what is the parameter? Name, right? Name of the pipe.
Name. Yes.
Okay. Custom pipe. Okay. Then what's the next?
Class.
Okay. Export class. Okay. And what will be the name? Custom pipe.
Custom pipe.
Okay. And what is the next?
Implement.
Implements.
Implements on which thing?
Pipe transform.
Yeah, it implements on one interface called pipe transform.
Pipe
Okay.
transform.
Okay. Then whenever
Declare it in
whenever we are creating whenever we are implementing pipe transform, what we need to do?
Transform method.
Yes. Provide one method called transform. Okay.
transform.
And it receives one value. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just import these two lines. Yeah. Now any pipe is created, what we need to do?
Declare it in the module.
Yes, we will need to take it and we can declare it in the module file. Now, whatever manipulations we want to do, we can do it. Am I correct?
Yes.
So just return value plus stars. Anything, any manipulation you can do. Okay. This is a simple example which will be useful. That's why I'm telling this. Okay. Now you can see I can go to my HTML. Now I can even chain this. Okay. Any doubts, anyone?
No.
What happened? First name angler was given, then this pipe added percentage to it, then it was angler percentage, and that was added for stars. So angler percentage stars will be displayed. Any
Yes.
doubts, anyone?
No.
Okay. And I'll tell you about the life cycle hooks, okay? The different stages present in the life cycle hooks of a component, okay? So just remember it. It goes on ng on changes life cycle hook is there. Ng on init life cycle hook is there, okay? Then comes ng do check, okay? And then the next life cycle hook will be ng on destroy. Okay, I'll tell each one of them, but you understand that there were some 4 life cycle hooks which will get triggered throughout the Angular application component created. By the time component is created, it will go through all these life cycle hooks. Okay, any doubts, anyone? So in order to have this method ng on changes, okay, our component has to be implemented on changes interface. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, so this is the interface and that's name is on changes and it provides a method called, what is the method name here?
Ng on changes.
Is it optional? Is it optional?
No.
No.
Right? How you are telling it's not optional?
There is
No? Repeat it loudly. What's not there? How you
question
are
mark.
question
Safe
mark?
navigation.
Okay. So whenever if your class is implementing on changes, right? Then we need to have one method called ng on changes. Am I correct? So this is one life cycle hook. Okay. I'll tell you in details in the next class. Okay. But just remember that there is one life cycle hook called ng on changes, and on changes is the interface which is used and it provides method called ng on changes. Any doubts till now?
No.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Now one more interface is on init. Okay. Okay. If you just check interface on init, what is the method present for on init? What is the method present in the on init interface?
ng on it.
G on in it.
Why? How are you telling that it's a method? Why not a variable? Why cannot it be a variable? How you are telling that it's a method?
It has params.
Yeah, it has this parentheses, right? Meaning is that it's a method. Okay. So whenever, if we want to implement one more interface, na, just give a comma and we can interface implement on init interface, and we need, it provides one method called ng on init method.
G on in it.
Okay. Any doubts till now?
No.
Okay. The next and the last life cycle hooks, this we will talk later because it will be little confusing if I talk it right now. Okay. Then we will talk about ng on destroy. Okay. ng on destroy, it provides an interface called on destroy. Okay. And it provides a method called ng on destroy method. Any doubts till now?
No.
See, interface on destroy, and it provides a method called on destroy. What is the return type of this method?
Void.
Void. How we are telling, it's clearly mentioned, right? This is the
Yes.
method and its return type is void. And here also ng on in it. It's a method and its return type is void. Okay. And ng on changes. It's a method and its return type is void. Does it taking any input? Does this ng on changes contains any params?
No.
Yeah, it has param. Simple change.
Yes. What are those param?
Simple changes.
Simple change.
Simple change is the param or changes is the param?
Changes.
Yes.
So this is the changes is the param. And what does this semicolon mean? Semicolon with this variable, what does it mean?
Data type.
It type, right?
Data type.
Yeah, it's a type for these changes. Why you people are getting confused? Param is changes and its type is simple changes and its return type is void. Okay, just remember this, everyone. Okay. There are 4 life cycle hooks present. What are those?
Ng on changes.
Okay.
Ng on in it.
Okay.
Ng on destroy.
Okay. And ng do
G
check.
to check.
Okay. Yeah, that's it for today's class. In the tomorrow's class, I will try to explain the more. And I will try to check why this issue was coming in your laptops. Okay. I just ran few commands and it started working for me. You see, right? I just created one folder called teach and I just ran this Angular CLI command and it created me the Angular application. No. It created me the Angular CLI. Okay. Then what I have created one new app using this command ng new my app, meaning one new application. Okay. By running this command, everything got created. You can see here, right? App module created, app component.css created, HTML spec file and component file. Okay. And then after directly that, after going to inside my application, when I ran this command, it started my application. and this is how that is looking. Sorry, wait a second. So whenever you run, right, it creates some local host port to you. Okay. You see. So localhost 4200 is the port created for me. Okay. And if I run this on this URL, this is the Angular application which got created. I don't know why you people are facing these many issues. Let me try and check it out. Okay. That's it for today's class. Bye everyone. Just practice this creation of pipes. Okay. And just remember this, what are those things, and just go to this angular.io, which is the official documentation for Angular, which is provided by Google. Okay. This Angular is created by Google team, and they are only providing the support for us. Okay. And you can check each thing. Okay. Like this is a life cycle hook which is used for what purpose, and what is the interface it's implementing on, and what is the method available, and just try it out in your app component. Okay. Bye everyone. Have a good day.